friends, what's shaking? I don't know if you guys are familiar with, oh, let's turn y'all around. Chaga mushroom. So chaga is really good. I'm going to put you guys down so we can do this together. If I don't drop you. Helps reduce inflammation. It's high in antioxidants. They've been help fight cancer. There are studies that show that it has the potential that it can slow the growth of cancer cells. It lowers blood sugar and it lowers cholesterol. So if it's lowering cholesterol, that means it's going to help with your heart too. So they're very beneficial. And as you guys know, I'm kind of going on this. Well, I'm doing a lot of mushrooms, and then I decided I was going to go ahead and do this website thing. But anyway, I have my mortal pestle, however everyone announces it, puts it. I've never crushed these before. Hi, Q fam, how are you? So we are going to see. Them little suckers are. Boy, it takes a lot to get them going. So anyway, we're going to, I don't know how much I want to put in here. And I didn't even measure that. I'm kind of still on work mode, thinking about things that I was doing earlier. Sorry about that. We're going to make this tincture. My goal is I am going to have individual tinctures of each mushroom, and then I'm going to have a total mushroom blend. So we'll have the chaga, turkey tail, lion's mane. I think they were button mushrooms. I can't remember. Was that what they were? I'd have to go look at them. Reishi. I just ordered my reishi mushrooms. I'm going to grow my own reishi mushrooms. Turkey tail reishi. Maitake. So the blend will be a very, very, very good blend. I'm just going to use all these. So we're going to make this tincture the same way that we did the others. I'm using 100 proof vodka. And it's 50% alcohol by volume and 50% water. That water gets in there when they distill it, when it's being made and processed by the manufacturer. All right. Shoo. Let's see here. We have, this is a quart, it's 4 cups, and it's 2 cups in there. And I can tell that by the whatchamajiggies on the side. This afternoon, let's see, and last night, what did I make? I actually made a diabetic tincture. Has lots of goodies in there. Let me see, let me pull it up here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find everything. So it has moringa leaf in it. It has fenugreek, bitter melon, burdock root, dandelion, lobelia, holy basil, bay leaf, fresh ginger, clove, cinnamon, turmeric, and I put in freshly crushed peppercorn to get the pepperine in there so that the turmeric will be absorbed into the cell's bloodstream quickly, because you need to grab that pepperine right when it's crushed. So I literally have an electric pepper grinder, and I was doing this at the same time pouring. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're going to go ahead and add the 100 proof. Same process as we always do, to the top. And I've got my trusty press and seal. Holy camole, come on. Let's see, what else did I make yesterday? I did a turmeric tincture that had the pepperine. Jeez. I think it's one of those days. What are they called? Murphy days? Murphy's Law days, when one thing goes wrong, everything's a struggle, you know? I think it's one of those days. Anyway, yesterday I made a turmeric tincture that also had the freshly ground black pepper, so the pepperine was in there at the same time the alcohol was being poured. It has powdered turmeric and fresh root turmeric. What else? Oh, it had a little bit of cayenne in it, and that was just dehydrated. I had some peppers that were frozen from the garden last year, and I dehydrated those and ground that fresh cayenne up yesterday. So everything was fresh in that. So we're going to go ahead and shake this. I always turn it over to make sure everything is submerged. Gotta hold it up to the light to see because of this dark jar. And it is good, and we're gonna go ahead and label that. Oh my. See what I'm saying? Do you ever have days like that? It's just one of those days. I don't know if any of you people out here know, it's just, you know that song, it's just one of those days. Everybody sucks. I can't remember. Sorry. Chaga mush. Today's the 22nd. Tomorrow will be a fun date. 3/23/23. You guys are quiet today. Chaga mush. And we're going to process these. That'll be a double extraction also. Also a double extract. Those things are messy. I don't know if you can see all that. The next thing that we're going to do, what else did I do last night? I did quite a bit of different things. I did my mineral, I'm going to do a mineral blend tonight. If anybody would be interested, I can do a live on that. So the next thing we are going to do, I haven't even opened these yet. Ground Polyporus Mushroom. You guys familiar with Polyporus Mushroom at all? It is, and I got this from my suppliers on Etsy. And they definitely packaged it good. Polyporus, anti-tumor, anti-cancer, free radical scavenging, and going out and go on a scavenger hunt for all those free radicals in your body so it can enhance your immune system. And that was that. And the trusty 100 proof vodka. 50% alcohol by volume and 50% water. I don't know why I did that. Or were you just having symptoms? And you guys saw that that was a powder. You see all the particles floating in there. So when I go to strain this, it may be like a sludge. Or it may all dissolve 100%. I've never tinctured these before. So we'll see. This is a newbie for me. Polyporus Mushrooms. 3/22/23. Now, I'm not going to let these tincture for 6 weeks, and I think we went over. I know better than that. Guy, it's a Murphy's Law day. I'm telling you. And I'm not even like in a hurry. I'm just making stupid mistakes. Not thinking things through. Because I totally smudged up. My dad says after 40, my body is going to be a mess. My mom said that about 42. And that is true. 40, I started my perimenopause. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff that happens. So those were the two I wanted to kind of do with you guys. Pull you back up here. I'll turn you around. My brain can't wrap around that whole backwards thing, sorry. First one was chaga mushrooms. Let me get over here. Oh, I turned you guys around. Anyway, chaga. It's a cancer fighter. It helps with lowering cholesterol, lowering your blood pressure. It's heart healthy. Did I say it reduces inflammation? So we have that mushroom. We did 2 mushrooms today. I believe it was last week. We did some other mushrooms. We did a lion's mane. We did some maitake mushrooms. Another Chinese mushroom. Can't remember. I want to say it's button mushrooms, but I don't know. But I'm excited to get all of those finished and have the individual tinctures of the mushrooms, and then I want to combine all those individual tinctures into one. So have the individuals and then a combo. So I'm excited about that. I wanted to show you guys. So when you use, has anybody tinctured with turmeric, powdered turmeric before? We're not talking about root, but actual powdered turmeric or any type of powder, actually. So a lot of people kind of get freaked out when they do. So let me show you why. To use turmeric, have you ever noticed your turmeric doing this? This is not the one that I did recently, but sometimes it can settle to the bottom. Don't freak out. It's just kind of like the, this is the one that we've used before. That mushroom, that Polyporus mushroom I just did, that will probably do the same thing with the separation. It's just the density versus the alcohol, no biggie. But I did make this one. Don't come at me, guys. I used a bigger, different type of jar. Normally my mineral health sits in here, but I'm out of it and I've got to make more. But I wrote on the side, you can't see here. It's a diabetic tincture. This was the one that I just told you guys what was in it. It's chunked full. I made a lot of this at one time because I have 3 family members that want to try this. Plus, if it does what I'm pretty sure it's going to do, then I'll put it on, once we're the guinea pigs, then we'll put it on the website. So yes, we did that today. We did that today. And I made an aphrodisiac, good for the libido, tincture today. Men or women. So yeah, if anybody wants to get a little shimmy shimmy, in about 6 weeks we're going to have the aphrodisiac libido tincture up. Wild Mountain Greek oregano is the best. You can actually Google it. True story. And then if you get a oregano oil that's like in a dark bottle, Wild Mountain Greek oregano, yes. And a good organic olive oil. And you'll be good with that. Hey guys, I have got to jump off here. Things are happening. All right, guys, we'll be back 6 o'clock this evening. Take care.